Hey everybody. I was just doing my little yoga practice after I woke up this morning, and I was thinking, I am such a beginner. I feel like that so frequently. Do you ever feel like that in your yoga practice? I'm such a beginner. I like it. I like being a beginner. It's exciting. Well, that being said, okay, so I'm not a beginner. I'm a yoga teacher. I teach kids yoga, and I teach adult yoga, and I have my preschool, and I travel around the world, and I lead trainings. So fine. Okay, so I'm not exactly a beginner, but I'm talking about a beginner mind, you know? In martial arts, they call it white belt mentality, white belt mind. So just sitting here on a Sunday doing my little stretching and thinking I'm so sore because I've been working out so much. We're working on the 2-week challenge. So today is day 3. Follow us on YouTube at KiDo Kids Yoga. Okay, love you all so much. Beginner mind. Woo!